Radio TV phono nut here, and I have a couple of project stereo receivers I want to get rid of. This one's a Pioneer SX-680 from probably the late 70s. It's one that's been here a while, and it's just something I've never gotten to, and I really don't have time to get to it right now. I got other projects I need to finish up with. So if somebody wants this one, it's going to be available. Now here's the deal on it. Cosmetically, it's in pretty good shape. It needs to be cleaned up. Some of the contact paper or vinyl covering or whatever this stuff is starting to lift on the corners. Our loudness button is missing, but I notice there's several for sale on eBay, so that shouldn't be a problem. Now, the audio amplifier stage does work. This uses a couple of STK modules for the output. Got it tuned to our mumble rap station. There's that channel, and there's that channel. So both channels are working. Now here's the problem. Seems to be an intermittent issue with the tuning condenser. You see, when I go up the dial, you see we get to a point where we just get a buzz in the audio and the tuning meter just goes berserk. Okay, there we tried to get something in there. Let's try AM. Alright, we get some AM reception, but as you can see, that tuning meter is going nuts. Come on and lock on. Alright, let's get it off of that before we destroy the tuning meter. Alright, as you can see, we're set to the phono input, right channel, and left channel, so we know at least we're passing a signal there. Alright, now we're set to auxiliary, left channel, and right channel. Alright, tape monitor 1, right, and left. So that's passing a signal. Alright, tape monitor 2, right, and left. So everything's passing a signal. It seems the main issue this has is with the tuner, and it also has some burned out dial lamps that need to be replaced. I feel like the trouble might just very well be a bad solder connection, maybe a ground connection, but like I said, I've got too much stuff to deal with, and there's no telling when I'm going to get to this, so if somebody wants to fool with it, then here it is. Alright, the next one is a Technics SA-104 receiver. This one's a bit newer, probably from the mid-80s, and it works, but the tuning knob is very, very stiff, and I noticed the flywheel is cracked, which looks like it's made out of pot metal, which is probably the reason. You can still tune it, but it's very stiff. It's got an interesting dial light. When you tune to a radio station, the dial light comes on, or one of them does. And I don't have much of an antenna connected to this.
here.
Alright, let's try AM.
Did not practice today for the 49.
Alright, phono right, left. So that passes a signal. Auxiliary right and left. And this is what current top 40 consists of.
Provide the IRS your child's information by September 30th. Go to irs.gov.